We just got a chocolate box
I know you do. Get in line, friend.
with chocolate gummy bears,
Chocolate gummy bears.
chocolate covered coffee beans,
Yes, those are good.
chocolate malted milk balls, chocolate popcorn, chocolate covered Oreos.
Discs.
One item per person, Mr. Collingwood.
No.
These ones?
Those like marshmallows.
It's a gourmet marshmallow.
These marshmallows are
Okay, that's a really good marshmallow. I'm not even lying.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, this is a banner moment.
I'm just gonna see if anyone else wanted. Oh,
Riding the old bicycle home today, so I figured I'd stop at the waterfall here, kind of cool off. Oh yeah. It's the old Mormon Trail. Okay, so tonight my friend Kurt is coming over for dinner. I haven't seen Kurt in like probably 3 years, so it's gonna be really good to catch up with him. Yeah, he should be here soon. All right, this guy here is Kurt Sumter. Kurt, how are you?
I'm doing great. Today is actually the 1-year anniversary. First time I jumped out of a C-130 high performance aircraft at 1,250 feet, a lot lower, above ground level, and I've been living life ever since. It's great.
That's awesome. It's good to see you, Kurt. Goodbye, Kurt.
See you guys.
See ya.
Oh, hello.
Goodbye, Matt.
Bye, Tyler. It's gonna be a while, but I'll see you soon, man.
All right.
Gosh.
Yeah. Keep in touch.
You too.
Facebook, Snapchat, whatever.
Snapchat.
It was great to catch up with Kurt. Apparently he's jumped out of a plane like 10 times since I last saw him. Julia, all the hair on your head is gone.
Yeah, you can see my freckles.
Oh yeah, I can. If you oh yeah, that's getting a real good close up there. You should put like a scar or like a bandage on here and tell people that you had
I
a
don't think I'm gonna do that.
tell people you're a cyborg now. Had a chip implanted. Yeah. Yeah.